refuse to cooperate with their own execution. Day 2. The soldiers try a different approach. They find a large group of emus, over 1,000, gathered near a dam. Major Meredith orders his men to set up an ambush. This time they'll wait until the emus are close, then open fire before they can scatter. The plan works initially. The emus approach, the soldiers open fire. The Lewis gun jams after killing about a dozen birds. By the time they clear the jam, the emus have scattered into small groups and fled. Second day result: approximately 12 emus killed, several thousand rounds expended. Major Meredith reports, the emus have developed guerrilla tactics. They now operate in small groups, making machine gun fire largely ineffective.